Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro and I will show you how face unlock works on this device. So it will be some kind of the speed test. Let's take a look. Okay, so as you see, the face unlock is really good. It recognizes my face all time. It's a little bit slower than the fingerprint sensor that we can find on the right edge, but it still works really good, especially when you take a look on the price of this device. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.